Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the external monitor connected. Now act. First, identify which display Windows or macOS calls your extended screen. Look for numbers or arrangement. Once identified, open System Display Settings immediately so you can change that monitor's controls. You need the right target. Changing the wrong screen wastes time. Make sure the OS recognizes the display and that cables and inputs are correct. If the monitor shows a blank input, switch the input on the monitor before proceeding. Once in Display Settings, select the extended monitor and use the brightness slider if available. This changes the panel backlight via the OS. If the slider is missing, open the monitor's on-screen display using its physical buttons and adjust brightness and contrast there, because many external panels require hardware controls. Also check your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, for advanced brightness, contrast, and gamma controls. These affect perception of brightness and color, and once you've matched brightness and color as closely as possible, step back and test with real content, photos, videos, documents, to confirm consistency. If you need precision, run the OS calibration tool or use a colorimeter to lock in white point and luminance. This prevents eye strain and inconsistent edits. If things go wrong, update your display and GPU drivers, try a different cable or input, and reset the monitor's OSD to defaults. These steps resolve most recognition and brightness control issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.